Dear all women, I am using the word dear with a very express intention. Wo men spell the word women. So man is always part of women. And you are certainly stronger than what we men are. Why I say so? Nari tum shraddha ho. माँ, बहन, बेटी और पत्नी. नारी तुम श्रद्धा हो, माँ, बहन, बेटी और पत्नी. और देखिए इन चारों का रूप क्या है. चारों का रूप है फेथ, श्रद्धा. और श्रद्धा का कार्मिक रूप क्या है, क्रियान्वित रूप क्या है, समर्पण, कमिटमेंट. आई फाइंड मैन फेलिंग द कमिटमेंट, but no women ever failing the commitment. I am a behavioral scientist. My area is management. My area is psychology, sociology, and law. And based on my strategy, case study, I am telling you, I am joining and confirming what you have been saying so far. All guests of honor, special guests, and all of you are educators. All of you are excellent performers, achievers. The fact remains that women has never failed in the commitment, but man has failed. And today we are in the crisis. Who will sustain the world? Man will not sustain the world. You will sustain the world. All goals, which are SGs, 17 goals, you have not really participated in the process of sustaining development. I want all of you to understand this part. We have to exist. The world has to exist. The world must not get into catastrophe. And who can avoid it? You only can avoid it. Man cannot avoid it. Because we ultimately fail in our commitment somewhere down the line. What is required is, take my advice, inclusiveness and less control. Generally, inclusiveness fails. We go by default and we work on control. It is the control which certainly comes as a contradiction for your inclusiveness. Take everybody along. Share your empowerment. You are empowered. Already empowered. You are the achievers. Share your achievement with others. Those who are yet to have the achievement in their life. The journey has to be from I to we. Journey has to be from success to happiness. And what is this success to happiness? Achievement of a specific goal is success. But the fulfillment in life is happiness. After every success, you must feel, this is what I wanted to do and I have done it. And do thumbs up to yourself that I am the winner. And all this success must ultimately lead you. And this can only happen when you share your empowerment. My good wishes, happy feelings. I have learned lot many things from my mother, from my wife, from my daughters, and from my sisters. I want to share with you. I have acted as Ram and Ramlila at Mathura for first 5 years, from class 6 to class 11th. She used to come and touch my feet when I was acting as Ram. So one day I cornered her. My mother, I used to call her Amma. Amma, aap mere pair kyun chhuti ho? Listen carefully what she said. कि जब मैं तुम्हारे पैर छूती हूँ तुम मेरे बेटे नहीं हो, तुम उस समय राम हो. ओम तुम इस समय मेरे बेटे हो. लाइफ में याद रखना, तुम्हें हर समय 2 रोल प्ले करने हैं. 2 रोल. एक रोल स्पेसिफिक रोल. You are son now. Your role to us as parents. And you are Om to Om. Remember, your Om to Om must always watch your role as son to us. And wherever you go wrong, try to slap you. And if you do well, try to thumb up to you the well done Om Prakash. Which means there has to be a role profile which you must chart out yourself. And witness self of yours must always be on your guard to check you if you are going wrong and to praise you if you are doing right. My sister, when I was in class 4, elder sister of mine, of course they are not there now, I was to appear in a test, district test. And I was very weak in mathematics. Even today I am very weak in mathematics. Calculations I don't do very pleasantly or at my pleasure unless I am compelled to do it. So the headmaster announced कि आपको टेस्ट लेना है और हमें अब स्कूल से 2 बच्चे चुने हैं, उसमें एक बच्चा ओम प्रकाश है. That is me. I stood up, said, सर मैं टेस्ट नहीं करूँगा, मैं फेल हो जाऊँगा और आपकी बदनामी होगी, मेरी बदनामी होगी और मेरे पेरेंट्स की बदनामी होगी. उन्होंने कहा कुछ नहीं, तुम्हें टेस्ट देना है. मैं घर आया, अपनी अम्मा को बोला कि मुझे बचा लो, मैं फेल हो जाऊँगा, आपकी भी बदनामी होगी. खैर उन्होंने कहा मैं कुछ नहीं कर पाऊँगी. पिताजी को हम दादाजी बोलते थे, वो मेरी बात मानेंगे नहीं, तुम अपने आप संभालो. माई सिस्टर केम टू मी, शी टोल्ड मी, एडवाइज मी कि टेस्ट तो बेटे तुम्हें भैया देना पड़ेगा, लेकिन याद रखना है इस बात को कि तुम कभी भी अगर अपनी मंशा से टेस्ट नहीं दोगे तो फेल हो जाओगे. सो एक्सेप्ट द फैक्ट दैट द चैलेंज इज कमिंग टू यू एंड सर्टेनली यू विल बी सक्सेसफुल. उन्होंने बहुत बूस्टअप किया हमारा मोरल. अगले दिन हम दादाजी के साथ घूमने गए, उन्होंने कह दिया नथिंग डूइंग, टेस्ट होगा कल संडे को. डियर ऑल, आई एम शेयरिंग विद यू माई जॉय एंड एक्साइटमेंट. टेस्ट हुआ, 28 बच्चों ने टेस्ट लिया और ओम प्रकाश शर्मा उस टेस्ट में फर्स्ट आया और गोल्ड मेडल लिया. दिस इज accepting the challenge in life. And man does not suffers with the complex of taking the challenges. But women I have seen, they never suffer with this complex. They are ready for taking any challenges. This is my sister, gave me this thumbs up. Now coming to my beti. I have 2 daughters. They try to, whenever they come, they try to hug me as if they are mothering me. Though I try to distance myself. But I have a feeling whenever they come and make an effort to hug me, I have a feeling of my mother hugging me. They look after my house, they look after their house. This only women can do, men cannot do. Men has failed to do it. Coming to my wife, my patni. आज मैं 88 साल का हूँ, 88 years. And what you find in me, what MUIT has found in me, what all my friends have found in me, what Air Force found in me, is because of my wife. In 6 months' time of my marriage, I wrote an article. My area is management, as I said. I wrote an article. Housewife is a very successful manager. And all concepts of management. That has been my area of case study. And I've been saying so. So you are really powerful. My salute to all of you. Stay blessed. Thank you. God bless.